What's up, everyone? If you were looking to create a side hustle, or if you're looking for other streams of income, or want to replace your income, I highly recommend that you check out the Secrets of Success. The link is going to be in the description or in the comments area. Check out the link, watch the video, and while you're there, if you're going to hop in there and become a member of Secrets of Success, make sure you sign up for their affiliate program too. That way you can share the information that you're learning inside that program and refer others to it, so you can earn 40% commissions. And then once they like it, and any sales that come through them, you're going to get an additional 10% lifetime residual income. So if you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment, like this video. Be sure to check out the link and watch that video in there as well. And then those of you who do sign up to be an affiliate, we'll get you into my private Facebook group. So make sure you sign up for to be an affiliate there, and we'll get you in that group. And then comment and said that you're in. Let's go.